He's been raking with one hand. Doesn't have to wear the sling now, but it reminds him not to use it. So we have our update on how he's doing, his new stretches, and he's able to drive. He doesn't have to wear the sling, but he wears his sling to remind him not to use it when he's doing things like this. So here's his new stretches. So here's one of his stretches. It's similar to the one in the chair, except you see his elbow is bent, and it's also away from his body instead of like the one in the living room where it's up against his body and he's holding the towel. So that's one of them that we haven't showed you. So here's another exercise. He's again just stretching the muscles. You see what he's doing, how if he were standing up, how high he would be raising his hand. And here's the other one, lifting his arm up to stretch. And again, if you picture him standing up, look how far he's bringing his arm up. Okay, and here's his other stretch. He stretches it out that way and then steps forward so he doesn't pull his arm, use his arm. Again, we're not engaging the muscles, just stretching the arm. Okay, on this one, his right arm that he didn't have surgery is the one he's pulling to raise the other one up. And then he's slowly lowering it. So all the work's being done by the right arm because, again, we're not engaging the muscles on the left arm that had the surgery. But this gives it a nice stretch up. And again, look how high he can get it now. He just started these last week. But big improvement from before the surgery. So thanks for watching our update on Rod. And I'm sure he'll be doing strengthening exercises within a week or two and show you what they'll be doing that. But he's still not having pain. He's doing good. Talk to you next time. Have a great day.